Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Advanced Technology Verana. In the previous session, we have done the configuration for the tap mode and we see how we configure it and how it works. And in today's session, we are going to discuss and implement the virtual wire mode. Virtual wire mode is also one of the famous method which the network engineer or the security engineer do in their network. And it's normally you do with the virtual wire mode when there is some urgency to place the Palo Alto firewall in your network, and on the same time you don't want to do any major or even the minor change in your network design, or you are not able to take any downtime to do the major change. So what happened in the virtual wire mode? Virtual wire mode is works same as tap mode. The only difference in the virtual wire mode, you have control on the traffic. Okay, in the tap mode, if you see, you can see the traffic, you can monitor the traffic, but you cannot control it. But in the virtual wire mode, this is an advantage that you can make the policy to control the traffic based on your statistic, what Palo Alto firewall give you in the monitoring. So let's start our lab for today. But before going to the lab, I will make the diagram for the virtual wire mode, so it will be clear how we will do the implementation for the virtual wire mode based on my diagram. So I will share my screen with you and I will create the diagram, and then immediately we'll go to the configuration part. So guys, this is my tap mode diagram. Okay, I will just make some changes, minor changes in this diagram, and I will prepare the virtual wire diagram. So let me copy this diagram to the new page. Okay, so I just copy this one, and I will do some minor changes. I will just take my cloud and my WAN link to be little left, and this is my router. And I will remove this line, and let me remove this destination span information. Remaining information will be same as it is. So this is the interface for my router, and let me take this one as well, remove it. This router I will put it little left, right side. Remove this one, remove the information for the tap. And this is my Palo Alto, come in between the router and my inside aggregation switch. Okay. So now my 1048 interface from the router will go to the Palo Alto interface 0/3 or maybe 0/4. Let me check. Yes, I will do it 0/3. Okay. So this interface from my Palo Alto firewall will connect with my aggregation switch 1048, and Palo Alto interface 0/4 will connect with my WAN router this way. Simple. This one I will remove it. Let me place this virtual wire information here. And one thing more, I will do one thing. I will just add the trusted information. Okay, one is my trust network, and other will be my untrusted. And which is my untrusted? Untrusted. Okay, so it is done now. This is my trusted network, and my firewall interface going to my router side. This is my untrusted network, which is open for internet. So finally, we have done our diagram. Let me do some little fine tuning. Okay, so this is done now. Let me put it in the front end. This is my servers. We have no link right now configuration part with the server. My only focus is with the Palo Alto firewall. Okay, so 0/4 will be my untrusted interface, and 0/3 will be my trusted, and 4 is untrusted. And this is my router interface. So let me save it. Virtual wire, because my implementation will be based on this diagram. So guys, finally our diagram is created. So let's move to the next section for the implementation for the virtual wire, and we'll see how it's works.